Friends, welcome back to AppIQ, and if you're new, special welcome to you. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to check your security and privacy on your Samsung Galaxy phone or Android phone. So all you have to do is click on settings and you want to scroll down to where it says security and privacy. Now you want to allow your phone to scan, and this is going to show you the current status of your phone security. Now from here, you can go ahead and you can tap on various security features and you can see what is there. So for example, for app security, you can tap on that and you can see what it looks like. You can also go ahead and scroll down. You can go to, for example, more security settings, and you can see a bunch of different security settings here that you can look into as well. You can also go ahead and check your permissions as well. So if you tap on that, you can see how your app permissions look, and also you can check those apps as well if you so desire. So guys, you want to check out all of these different features here. You can even go to more privacy settings and you can play around and see what your current settings are. And this is how you can easily go ahead and check your security and privacy on your Samsung Galaxy phone or Android phone.